Who was stopping him?
But that was a traffic man of railways. Yes.
It's moving, the patrol is there. Patrol is there to stop there. The driver at high speed, even the driver of the bus.
No, what he wanted to do is he wanted to bypass the railway before the railway line reaches there. Unfortunately, the time he was
coming there, the railway is coming there.
Yes. Unfortunately, the time he reached was at the exact time when even the bus did what?
Start talking then.
You see, the guy is raising his hand to stop him.
The bus coming at speed. It took off.
But those border men, do you think they survived because the bus landed on them? Those ones. That one.
You never found on that police officer?
No, he took off.
People are running away. They had a van. You have reached, let me go away. Let me go away. Hey, this is very heavy, the engine. Very heavy.
That's your argument.